Our service area is roughly the size of Rhode Island, and we actually have 4 campuses. Before our virtual desktop labs, we would pack all our supplies up in our van, drive approximately 30 minutes to the remote site, and we would have to physically touch every PC. To do one lab could take an entire day, if not a couple hours of overtime.
We wanted to be able to make a change and immediately push it out. Ken and I both said, well, it sounds like an ideal situation for virtualization. cdw-g set up our base Citrix system for us to test in a pilot environment.
What I liked about Citrix was the flexibility of being able to use it anywhere.
The pilot provided and showed us so much potential, we decided we want to go ahead and put the thing in production. That did not come without some cost. The Citrix environment is very powerful, but there is a learning curve. It's sort of like dating and falling in love. You know, you meet somebody, you're interested in them, the more and more you learn about it, the more and more time you spend with them, next thing you know, you're in love with it. That's been our experience with Citrix.
The biggest hurdle I had with Citrix at the beginning was understanding the different servers and what they did and how they related to each other. You got to know where to go and know what kind of sequence of events to go through in order to make it work. And we got a lot of support from cdw-g. Anytime we asked, their engineers were helping us.
One of the other surprises we had with Citrix was how many options it had.
As far as help desk calls concerning Citrix, we had very few. As long as they have an account on Active Directory, all they have to do is install the Citrix plugin from the website and they're ready to go.
One of the advantages of using a thin client is that they're a lot cheaper, they are very energy efficient. The user cannot do anything to mess them up.
The thin client setup is really simple. This PC is about a 2005, 2006 model. We're using to convert it to Citrix. All I do is set up a master hard drive. As far as memory, I got 512 megs of memory. It'll work with 256. I mean, it really doesn't matter. For the classrooms that we do have the thin clients, they come right up. They're ready to go in 2 or 3 minutes. They're much faster.
The return on investment seems to be very high. Last year this time, we were probably purchasing 150, 200 PCs. So far, we've only purchased 65.
The benefits of client virtualization for our staff have been more efficient use of their time. I mean, we can take a computer and put it in somebody's home. We can take a classroom and we can put it out for the distance learning group. We can do several things that we couldn't do before.
If you decide to pursue virtualization, do not scale it down too small. You need to go ahead and forward think and plan for growth because it is going to happen.
Because we've implemented the virtual desktop technology at our satellites, it has made our technicians more flexible. Does it stop us from having to go to the satellites? No, but we can do things so much faster.